Hi, this is Alexis Woolsey with Ticor Title, and today I want to show you how you can create a home report for a new listing that you have to help market it to potential buyers. So right now we are looking at the TicorAgent One desktop version. You can also access this feature on the mobile app version that you can download from the App Store. We're going to start here with the buyer calculator, and we will enter in the information for your listing from the buyer's perspective. So as you can see up here, I've entered in an address to the Homelink feature of TicorAgent One. This can pull property tax information for your calculations, but it's also going to use that address to pull information from Google and other sources to create that home report for us. So that's a very important step, or else the home report won't work unless if you don't enter in the address here. Now we're going to enter in some fake information. Usually you want to do something that's a little bit universal that buyers can look at and get an idea for what the monthly payment and the closing costs might look. So we're just going to pick some numbers to include here. We'll go with conventional loan type, and then you want to enter in your listing price. We'll say $500,000. And then you could do down payment. You could either do 10% or let's go with 20% because hopefully that's what we'll be getting from the buyer. And then interest rate, this will always autofill with a national average. So I would just use that number for this purpose of calculating for the home report. Then we have term of the loan. We'll do 30 years since that's usually typical. Miscellaneous is normally if the buyer is offering to contribute to the seller's closing costs or vice versa, but for this sake, we're not going to enter anything. Hazard insurance, this percentage will give an average rate for the home price, so we'll leave that. And then property taxes, usually Homelink will pull that. This property, it wasn't able to find anything, so we'll just enter in a guess as an example today. Then we have HOA, either monthly or annual. We'll just leave that blank, and then we'll have closing date. We'll select about 30 days out. Then you're going to compute that just like you would for a normal buyer calculation. And there we have those estimated numbers. Now, to get to the home report, we're going to go to Share or Print PDF. And as you can see, I was just looking at it, so it auto-populated to this home report. There are a lot of different options for designs that you can include. You can see here it has that address listed up here. It has the price and those numbers that we included to calculate what a monthly payment and a closing cost would be. And it shows right here that that's with 20% down. And of course, we have this little message here that it's just an estimate, and they'll want to make sure to get the actual numbers. But what's cool is this program just populated all of these stats and informations for you. So we have nearby groceries, gas, Starbucks. There's 20 restaurants within 2 miles of this address. There's a nearby hospital and a gym. And so for each address, it's going to customize those for you. Also has what schools the property goes to and what their ratings are, what there are nearby outdoors, what kind of restaurants there are. Even has down here the walk score, sound score, and internet speed. So that's pretty cool. There are a lot of different designs. As you can see over here, you can go through and select, maybe you want to do this one. And some of these have different information. This one has most of the same stats. It just includes it all in one. We have, let's see what other designs we have here. This one's nice looking, nice and clean. It has all this. Of course, with the premium version of TicorAgent One, this will add your photo and logo on here. Otherwise, it'll have your contact information. The premium version also comes with some other great features. I have another video where you can check that out. But I would highly encourage you to use this feature for your listings. It's a great way to market it and provide some more information to potential buyers. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you one-on-one. Thank you so much.